Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Global Air. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to check in for my flight to Toronto.
Certainly. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Let me check your booking. You are scheduled to depart at 3:45 p.m. Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I'm traveling alone.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases and 1 carry-on bag.
Please place your suitcases on the scale one by one.
Sure.
The first suitcase is 24 kilograms. The limit is 23 kilograms. It's slightly overweight.
Oh, really? What should I do?
You can remove some items and put them in your carry-on, or you can pay an extra baggage fee.
I'll move some items to my carry-on bag.
No problem. Take your time.
Thank you. Okay, I've removed a few things.
Let me weigh it again. Perfect. It's now 22.5 kilograms.
That's good news.
The second suitcase is within the limit. Do you have any liquids, batteries, or dangerous items in your checked luggage?
No, I don't. Just clothes and gifts for my family.
Have you packed your bags yourself?
Yes, I packed them myself.
Has anyone asked you to carry anything on their behalf?
No, absolutely not.
Great. Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I prefer an aisle seat because it's more comfortable for long flights.
Let me check availability. Yes, seat 21C is available.
That sounds perfect.
Here is your boarding pass. Boarding begins at 3 p.m. at gate D7.
Thank you. Is the flight on time?
At the moment, yes. However, there might be a slight delay due to weather conditions.
Oh, I see. How long is the flight?
Approximately 8 hours and 30 minutes.
Will meals be served on the flight?
Yes, lunch and light refreshments will be provided. You can also purchase snacks on board.
That's good to know.
After check-in, please proceed to the security check.
Where can I find the security check?
Go straight ahead, turn right, and take the escalator to the 3rd floor. Follow the signs for departures.
All right.
Sir, please place your carry-on bag on the conveyor belt. Please remove your laptop and any liquids from your bag.
Sure. Do I need to remove my shoes?
Yes, please remove your shoes and belt.
Okay.
Please walk through the scanner.
Is everything okay?
Yes, you're clear. You may collect your belongings.
Thank you very much.
Attention, please. Passengers traveling to Toronto, boarding will begin shortly.
Excuse me, is this the line for boarding?
Yes, sir. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
Here they are.
Thank you. You may now board the aircraft. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you for your help today. Excuse me, where can I collect my luggage?
Please go to Baggage Carousel 5.
Thank you. What should I do if my luggage doesn't arrive?
Please report it at the Lost and Found counter near the exit.
All right. Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay in Toronto.